Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to multiply large numbers using a simple step-by-step method, which is the long multiplication. Let's get started. So let's take the first example. 235 multiplied by 6. So there we go, 235 multiplied by 6. We put them under each other like this, and the multiplication, the 6 will multiply all of the digits, and the 6 will multiply all the digits from right to left one by one, like this. So let's get started. 6 times 5 is what? 30. So I'm going to put the 0 down and the 3 up, always like that, okay? The right down and left up. I will put the 0 down like this, and 3, I will put it up like that. Now, 6 times 3, 18, plus the 3 that I already put up, it will give me 21. 21. 1 down, 2 up. Exactly. 1 down, 2 up. Perfect. And now 6 times 2, that's 12, plus the 2 up, that gives me 14. And there we go. We're done. The final answer is 1410. Let's take another example. In case I'm dealing with multiplying 3 digits with 2 digits, I'll have to follow the same steps one by one by multiplying each digit by all of them, but from right to left. So first of all, the 2 will multiply the 6, 9, and 3, and then the 1 will multiply 6, 9, and 3. Let's see how it's gonna happen. So first of all, 2 times 6, that's 12. 2 down, 1 up. 12. 2 down and 1 up, as we said. Right down and the left is up. Perfect. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19. 9 down and 1 up. There we go. Don't forget to cross the digit that you... Don't forget to cross the number that you already used. And now 2 times 3, that's 6 plus 1 is 7. There we go. I'm done from the 2. So I leave its space empty. This is very important, otherwise the multiplication will be wrong. Now, 1 times 6 is simply 6. 1 times 9 is 9. And 1 times 3 is 3. And after finishing the multiplication of all of the digits, now it's time for addition. Let's get started. 2 plus nothing is 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 down and 1 up. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 9, that's 17. So 7 and 1 up. 1 plus 3 is simply 4. So the answer for this is 4,752. Let's take one final example. We're going to follow the same steps even if we get 3 digits multiplied by 3 digits. Step by step, we will get there. So let's put them under each other like that. Let's start with the 3. 3 multiplying 5, that's 15. 5 down, 1 up. 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 up is 7. Very good. And 3 times 3 is 9. Very good. I'm done from the 3, so I leave its space empty. Moving on. 7 times 5, 35. 5 down and 3 up. 7 times 2 is 14, plus the 3 will give me 17. So 7 down and 1 up. And now 7 times 3, that's 21, plus the 1, it gives me 22. Very good. I'm done from the 7, and let's leave its space also reserved. Moving on to the last one. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 3 is 3. We're done from all the digits, and now it's the time for addition. So 5 plus nothing is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 down, 1 up. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 7, 17, plus 5 is 22, so 2 down and 2 up. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. And finally 2 plus 5. And finally 2 plus 3, it's 5. And there we go, we're done. The final answer is 56,225. And that will be it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can put them down in the comments below.